Hello friends, welcome to Solo Scholar CMA. A very important notification just has been released by ICMAI regarding the June 2025 term exams. And if it is for foundation, intermediate and final group. So you must have to listen very carefully. This is very important notice. The institutes had found that many students still have a pending document submission such as provincial clearance or foundation intermediate or completing of practical training IOTC training for the final students also. So if these documents are not submitted on time, it can directly affect your admit card and eligibility to appear in the June exams. Maybe the institute will not release the admit card for those students. So you have to be attentive to submit these documents to the institute. So now let's see on the portal what's the notification. I'm opening ICMAI website. Let me close this. Okay, let me go to the student portal here. Now see the notification. Now go to the circulars. Now see, there's the first part. First circular notification, necessary documents to be submitted to resolve pending requirements for appearing in the June 2025 term examination. Okay, I'm opening this. See, this released on 25th April 2025. So let's read this together. Necessary documents to be submitted to resolve the pending requirements for the appearing in the June 2025 terms examination. A good number of students scheduled to take a June 2025 term examination have few pending requirements. The Directorate of the Studies has been actively sending the reminders via email to the respective students, emphasizing the submission of the essential documents needed for the examination clearance, including those provincial, foundation, intermediate and practical training and IOTP training also for the finals. So it is recommended to check your registered mobile number and email on the regular basis for these reminders. Ensure the completion of clearance latest by May 2025 on May 15. So you have to submit all the documents till May 15. Not providing the necessary documents by the designated date could lead to examination department being unable to issue the regular admit card of the June 2025 examination. So student may check their pending requirement through the following web link. This is the link they have given in the PDF. This is the information of all concerned students institute of appearing in the June 2025 terms examination. Okay, so now this is the deadline 15th May. So you have to submit it. So don't take this lightly. So you can check your pending status through this official notification. Now I'm clicking this. It's opening. You can write your registration number here and click on the display status. Then it will show you that you are eligible or you have a pending notification. Then you can submit the pending notifications also. So please check your status today. Submit whatever it's pending and share the video with the CMA friends so that no one can miss this deadline. For more such updates and preparation tips, don't forget to subscribe Solo Scholar CMA.